Okay, I'm taking a video. This is Amelia on her first day meeting Muffin.
No, take it from the door.
I will. It's a video. Today is November 19th. Amelia's just about to be a year. She loves Muffin. Today was her first plane ride. We're in Boynton Beach, Florida, visiting great Grandpa Mel.
Stay.
She loves Muffin. Muffin really couldn't possibly care less about her, though. Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
No.
This is a great day.
This is a great day.
We just fell on our keister.
You're all right.
Oh, come on, Muffy's on the way. Stay here, Muffy.
Hi, Amelia. Say bye-bye.